And for today's video, we begin outside of the Orange County Convention Center and getting ready to get on a charter bus to get to the other side of the convention center. Welcome everyone, and thanks for being here. For today's great adventure, we find ourselves at a Kids Family Expo here in Orlando, Florida. And it's kind of become a tradition for us, the Roadie family. We come here, school starts, and a few weeks after we come here. This is the 10-year anniversary. They get over 200 exhibitors. I hope I piqued your interest. Please come join us. And we are in. Here's your first cursory look. It's good size. There's lots of vendors, as you can see, and we're gonna make our way up and down the rows. And one thing I spotted right away is there's some cosplayers here, some Star Wars cosplayers over to the side over there. I'll show you. And as you see, the kids all gathered around right there. And next stop is the Magic. They have their tent up. Hopefully get some, spin the prize and win something good. And look, Cameron spun and won a basketball. That was probably the best prize there. And if you love your duckies, and I do as a Jeep owner, they got you build your own ducky here. And we have FHB here, and they got their F-250 here. Nice looking truck. Cameron's up in the driver's seat. And just like last year's expo, they got pony rides here. They're extra, they cost extra. But what is included is there's a petting zoo here. And you can feed them too. And look at this awesome looking school bus with the cool lights on it and stickers and colors. You know, if my bus was this awesome, I might not have dropped out of elementary school. And behind me is the Florida State Park, which I believe is underappreciated. Go check out a state park if you can. And over the last couple years, the Roadie family just started doing Kroger delivery, and I'm telling you, what the time we save, it's awesome, well worth it. And take a look at this Ghostbuster. Rhino, thank you. Bye-bye, thanks. And of course, they brought Ecto 1 with them. I would love to drive this car. Hey, who's in there? Wow, look at this talent here. Wow. Very impressive, thank you. And unbeknownst to me, Orlando has a professional volleyball team. They also have a stand here and you can play some volleyball. And Cameron absolutely loves the Kids and Family Expo. He gets so much free stuff and he just enjoys walking around and interacting with all the exhibitors and stuff. It's going on from August 23rd to August 24th, this weekend. And the UCF PD is here as well. A fun fact, Michael, my editor-in-chief's son, graduates this December from UCF, and the First Lady Roadie is also a graduate of UCF. And here we have a Nightmare Before Christmas car. We got a few of these cars, I'll show you them all. Jack Skellington and crew. Check out the inside, it's a Subaru. It's nice though. And next we got the Hulk car, it's a Chevy Camaro. I believe this is also a Chevy Camaro. You got the Captain Marvel. I don't understand why, but Chevy stopped making Camaros. I believe it was this year they stopped making them. And I saved the best one for last. It's a Thor Chevy Camaro. You can't get too close because it's roped off, but wow, there's Thor right there, and just look at the colors and detail on this. This is really something special. There goes Pikachu in his Pokemon car. They also are selling Hot Wheels here. 3 for $10, that's not a bad price, amongst other toys. And a show I really enjoyed growing up was the A-Team. There's their 1983 GMC Vendura for sale. And Jurassic Park is also here. They got their, it's like their Ford Bronco, but you know I'm favoring their Jeep, of course. And Cameron's gonna try his luck at Dave and Buster, see if he wins. And behind me, there's a wrestling ring for local wrestlers to mix it up. And behind me is one of the wrestlers there already getting ready for his match. And Gatorland's here. They're here every year. And one thing I say, These prices here, that's the best price you're gonna find for Gatorland. No blackout dates, and it's good for a year.
Big smile.
Cameron's tradition of holding the alligator every year continues. And have a look at this. Cameron's actually riding on the back of a camel. Fun fact, I have ridden on a camel as well, but Michael, when he was about 4 or 5 years old, I'll put a picture in there. And I just signed my pledge for drug-free, youth drug-free world pledge. I hereby pledge to live drug-free by the drugfreeworld.org. And that's gonna put the finishing touches up here at the Kids and Family Expo. Probably one of Cameron's favorite events. He made out really well. Thank you, Brandy, for the invite. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider becoming a channel member. If you already are one, thanks for the support. Let's grow this together.